Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high ping in Minecraft servers. It could be Java or Bedrock edition. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you got to go to your date and time, right click on it and click on adjust date and time. And in here, make sure that set time zone automatically and set time automatically is enabled. Okay. And then once that's enabled, scroll down and click on sync now and just wait for it. After that, go ahead and find control panel, just like so. Click on control panel. Now click on network and sharing center. If you can't see it, make sure that you're under large icons. Okay. Network and sharing center, change adapter settings, double click on your network or the network that you're currently using. Double click, now click on properties. Now find TCP IPv4 properties and follow my settings or copy it. Pause the video. Okay, if you want to. Obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844, hit on OK. Now do not close this one yet. Just test Minecraft, okay? And check if it helps. Now, if it helps and it feels laggy or a bit laggy, well, you might want to change it to, again, find TCP IPv4, properties, change everything right here, okay? To what? 1.1.1.1. and then 1.0.0.1. This is Cloudflare. Before it was Google, okay? This one is Cloudflare DNS. So just click on OK. I'm not going to do it because Google's DNS feels faster in my computer or in my area. Okay, so if this one works for you, just leave it as is. Okay, click on OK. Close, close, close. Now go ahead and launch your Minecraft and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix high ping in Minecraft servers. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.